We are on our way to Riverton Lodge in Karnataka. It is a very nature-friendly resort managed by the state government itself. Once we cross this bridge, we are in the Bhadra Dam reservoir area where the resort is situated. On the right side you can see water in the reservoir. We can see the entrance of the resort now. Parking space is just after the entry. On the right side you can see the safari vehicle too. Let us check in at the reception now. Design and materials used for reception construction is close to the nature. We have come down from the reception and now on the way to our room. This island where we are now has reception, restaurant and some rooms. Our room allotted is on the second island and we need to cross a hanging bridge to reach there. We are near the bridge now. This bridge, I must say, is one of the highlights of this resort. It is very windy on this bridge and always keeps you cool. You can hear the wind sound very clearly. Our room is at the top and need to climb some stairs now. Finally reached near the room. Our room number is 21. Room is considerably big and has an extra bed too. There is also a balcony with amazing view of dam water and hills. They have kept soap, shampoos and all. and also has separate heater for each bathroom. We have come to the restaurant for lunch now. Let us see what all dishes are served. Roti and mushroom masala went really well. Mushroom gravy was thick and creamy. On the other side, biryani was kind of average. In non-veg there was mutton gravy. Mutton was really cooked well. Fish fry was fresh and really stood out. Finished the lunch with nice semia kheer. We are going for the evening wildlife safari in Bhadra Tiger Reserve. This is included in the package. You can take it either in the morning slot or in the evening. We are here during rainy season, so not much chance to see animals. But the fresh greenery and ambience here is awesome. This forest area is 575 square kilometers and has 37 tigers, 45 leopards and 300 elephants as told by our driver. The lake on the left side is man-made to provide drinking water to animals during summer. Overall, the scenery is mesmerizing. On the right side there is a lake here. Lot of animals come here during summer it seems. So if you come here during March, April or May, then good sighting is guaranteed. At last we had a sighting of 4 to 5 deers. If you found this video helpful by any means, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Also let me know your thoughts on it in the comments and do watch my other videos. Thanks a lot for the support.